Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Cody Ann Barrett with your business updates for today. The Sustainable Agriculture in the Caribbean, or SAC project, is coming to an end after 5 years of helping farmers adopt more climate-smart agricultural practices. Implemented by the World University Service of Canada, or WUSC Caribbean, with funding from Global Affairs Canada, the initiative was designed to make farming in Jamaica more productive, profitable, and resilient by addressing challenges such as access to farming inputs, markets, and information.
What we're trying to do is increase, particularly in this project, the increased productivity and profitability for smallholder farmers. So our primary target group is sort of women, youth, and male farmers. But to do that, obviously, we've been working here, there, and with different groups, but that is the ultimate aim. That's our primary reason for being here.
The project also strengthened the Rural Agricultural Development Authority, RADA's, ability to deliver climate-smart agriculture services across all 14 parishes. RADA's CEO, Garnet Edmondson, said the partnership enhanced the agency's institutional capacity through training and other support.
Through targeted training, over 100 extension and technical officers have enhanced their knowledge in gender, responsive extension, youth engagement, livestock management, climate smart agriculture, and farmer training, dedicated farmer training. This investment has not only benefited the officers who receive training, but has multiplied across farming communities throughout RADA's extension network.
Over the past 5 years, more than 6,000 farmers received training through the initiative, while investments in breeding stock, livestock upgrades, and farm equipment helped strengthen agricultural production. Following Hurricane Melissa, WUSC also supported approximately 3,000 farmers with recovery kits, with additional distributions expected before the project officially ends.
And I can leave Jamaica this time knowing that things will continue. I think there's been some changes that have taken place, some definite progress, and it doesn't rely on us to keep going. It's a win-win that we've been looking for, and I hope you can continue to do that. And just one more thing about the future that I can say is that we are trying to get another project, the next generation. We've learned a lot of lessons during the implementation of the SAC project. So I'm hoping that by next year or early in 2027, you'll start hearing about the Arise project. So stay tuned. We have put in a request for support, and it's being analyzed, it's being looked at, and hopefully we'll be able to sort of come back to you with some news on that before too long.
Although the SAC project is ending, Global Affairs Canada says its support for Jamaica's agricultural sector will continue.
The Government of Canada is exploring new forms of mutually beneficial economic partnerships that connect climate-smart agriculture, innovation, investment, and trade opportunities for Canadian private sector while responding to the priorities of partner countries like Jamaica. The lessons from SAC demonstrate that Jamaica is well positioned to be part of this future. Canada is proud to stand alongside Jamaica for the next chapter of Jamaica's agricultural transformation.
And that's it for the Business Bites today. I'm Cody Ann Barrett. Thanks for watching.